Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our Classic Series 6-gauge custom dashboard set. It's available in a white face, an antique white face, and a black face. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see vintage style 3 3/8" tachometer and speedometer gauges, and 52mm fuel level, water temperature, volt, and oil pressure gauges. Also included in the packaging, a 6-gauge power harness with signal wires, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with bullet-style connectors, a 9-foot signal wire for the fuel level gauge, a pressure sensor, a fine-tune adjustment tool, a temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, mounting brackets with hardware, and full-color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.